How to get free play points in Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free play points in the Google Play Store so you can earn rewards like apps, movies, and even gift cards without spending any money. It's super easy, so let's get into it. First, open your Google Play Store app. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and download it from the Play Store. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the menu. Then tap on Play Points in the menu. This will take you to your Play Points dashboard where you can see how many points you have and how you can earn more. The easiest way to earn play points is by making purchases in the Play Store. This includes buying apps, games, or even in app purchases in your favorite games. Each purchase you make earns you play points, and the more you spend, the more points you get. But what if you don't want to spend money? Don't worry, you can still earn play points for free. Here's how. Tap on play points at the bottom of the play points screen and to see offers that let you earn points without spending money. These offers can include tasks like trying out new apps, completing surveys, or even watching ads. These are free ways to earn points and you don't need to spend any money. Another great way to earn free point is by using the Google Opinion Rewards app. It's a survey app where you can answer short questions and earn Google Play credit that automatically adds to your Play Points balance. You can download it from the Play Store and start earning today. And that's it. Now you know how to get free Play Points in the Google Play Store and start earning rewards without spending any extra money.